Welcome to part 25, creating the map and radio buttons. So flipping over to our code, if you recall, we used the dash bootstrap components library to create these radio buttons right here. So this is the exact same code. Now the map will be placed inside of a dcc.graph component, just like any Plotly figure. The thing to notice again is that figure parameter is not set here. It will be set during one of the callbacks, which is triggered whenever the dashboard gets first launched. So right when the dashboard is launched, one of the callbacks will be triggered and will set this figure property equal to one of the maps. And then again, to contain both these radio items and the map graph, we're just going to use a div, and that will be the actual component that we place over here in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, so that is how we add the maps and the radio items to our dashboard.